Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've seen my previous videos, we already talked about color cast issues and explored one technique to fix them. But today, I want to show you another smart method, this time using Photoshop's built-in auto-correction algorithms. Let's dive in. I've chosen this image because it has a noticeable yellow color cast spread across the entire photo. Perfect for this tutorial. First, I go to the Layers panel and add a Curves adjustment layer right above the background. Then, in the Properties panel, I simply click the Auto button. Photoshop automatically adjusts the tones and colors for me. But we're not stopping there. Now I hold down the Alt key and click on Auto again. This opens the Auto Color Correction Options window. Here I select Fine Dark and Light colors. And instantly you'll see a change in the color tones. Then I also check Snap Neutral Midtones to make the colors look more natural. Finally, I click OK to apply the changes. To compare, I toggle the Curves adjustment layer off and back on, and there it is. That unwanted yellow cast is completely gone, while the image quality stays intact. This is a super smart and effective technique that works really well on all kinds of images with color cast issues. If the previous method didn't give you the result you wanted, give this one a try. You might be surprised how well it works. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative and keep editing.